I was driving around to nowhere, just like another brainless wanderer would do. I don't know if it's because her apricot hair reflected by sunlight, or because she was lying there, deadly. The thunder, lightning, heavy rain, and gusty winds took me here, she said. The sky seems gloomy to me too. I didn't want to bother her, so I didn't ask what happened before. I don't have any place to go either, and just sat there. Words over words. I carry her home barefoot. She's a Venus, with an electric running all over her. It shocked me, and words become silent. Only the sigh of pleasure is heard. Black lilies, we discover balance. We create a pattern. And a quote that only we could answer. But currently, we're playing the game in the ocean that we both push ourselves in. We are each other's love. Whenever someone is drowning, we would hang on each other.
I have been open like a door.
But the longer we swim, the more profound the bottom is.
Nobody to come.
So we both take our skin off to make us float again.
Maybe I'm me and can see it all.
Thereafter, this log started to rot until there was nothing left. And today, she comes back, soaking without any explanation. I wonder what happened to her. She just hugs me and smiles, I believe. I couldn't help, but my curiosity brings me here. I'm driving on the same road again, but the destination is not up to me. What is she doing in this hidden place? She walks, she runs, she dances, she shouts, she jumps. I almost lost my head. I tried to work on it. I couldn't make any move. I'm only watching her from afar, seeing her move further and further. I heard that there was no light, no sound, not even the universe. A billion years without Earth, only the water. Or we are just a creation of someone. So I'm telling myself that maybe she has coming full circle. So why should I kept her in this room? The sound of 1,000 birds singing is hunting me down. I can barely breathe through the air, but water. I've lost my vision until I used to the darkness. And I see it clearly. There's nothing gone or disappear, but all live inside me.